Walking trails, a scenic pond, a new phase just opened up, so a lot of lots available. Homes starting in the 300,000. So if you want that new construction, but you don't want to break the bank, we're here at Stonewater in Independence, Kentucky. Let's check it out. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Sztanyo from Keller Williams Realty and TeamStanyo.com, where we are helping you find your home and strengthen your family. Today showing houses to a couple from Nashville, Tennessee, a city that's near and dear to my heart because I went to Lipscomb University way back in the day. Back in the early 2000s in Nashville, Tennessee. But they're like a lot of people we help out here on the channel. They've been priced out. Nashville real estate has blown up. To get a house like we're kind of looking at today, they're looking at the $600,000, $700,000, $800,000. And they're like, we're not made of money. You know, we're buying our first house. You know, we want something that we can afford that's not a piece of junk. And so they've been kind of looking all around the Midwest. They've got family kind of scattered about. And they ended up landing on the Cincinnati area and northern Kentucky. So they called me up. They did it the right ways. They called me first before we went and registered with both Drees Homes and Fisher Homes. I highly recommend that if you want an agent working for you, if you want an agent to represent you in the new build process, make sure you reach out to the agent first. Otherwise, it could be very difficult to get registered by the builder. They called me up. They said, hey, we're coming up to town. We want to look on the Ohio side. We want to look on the Kentucky side. I said, great, let's do it. So today we're looking at houses and we've come across this community in Independence and I love it, honestly. We're right around the corner from where all the retail in Independence is, where the Kroger is and the restaurants, and there's more development coming in. In fact, there's 3 Publixes coming into Northern Kentucky, one on the south side of Triple Crown in Union, one here in Independence, and one in Alexandria. But this location is pretty great. You're pretty close to I-75 if you head west. You're only 12 miles from downtown Cincinnati, so if you want to go to a Reds game, you're looking at 25 minutes from here. Let's check out this community in more detail. Welcome to Stonewater, a new community with an ideal location in Independence. This charming neighborhood features our most desirable floor plans situated on private, wooded home sites and on cul-de-sac streets. Great amenities include walking paths and plenty of green space. Children will attend Kenton Elementary, Twenhofel Middle, and Simon Kenton High Schools. Stonewater's convenient location places you near great shopping and dining in the Northern Kentucky area. So I will say, in driving up to this neighborhood, it does have a really good feel. It's kind of right around the corner from the heart of Independence, Kentucky, where there is a Kroger and some other shopping and restaurants. And you go around the corner and you go up a little bit of a hill, so you kind of have a view from this neighborhood on the surrounding areas. I do like that there's a lot of green space, and I also really do like the walking paths in this neighborhood, and the different phases of this neighborhood are going to be connected by walking trails and sidewalks. And so if that's something you like to do, want to be sure you're having a neighborhood with sidewalks where you can get out and exercise, this might be a good fit for you. All right, in the current phase, there are about 22 different home sites available and 5 new home plans to choose from, including ranch homes and 2-story homes. Now, the ranch homes you have to choose from are the Alexander and the Sarasota floor plan. And if you're looking for a 2-story home, you can choose from the Ashton, the Saxon, or the Wembley floor plan. Base pricing for these different floor plans in the neighborhood range from about $333,000 to $425,000. And in terms of square feet, you're ranging anywhere from 1,320 on the low end to 2,680 on the high end of square footage. Now, also remember that with these homes, you can get basements and that square footage is not included in that number. So if you finish the basement, and on these ranch homes, you're gonna have a much larger footprint overall, you can easily get a lot of additional living space. So beautiful community. You've got 1-story and 2-story homes to choose from here. And what I like about here is you're kind of on the edge of country and city here in Independence. So you look around and there's a lot of rolling hills and mature trees out here in Stonewater, but you're also just a minute or two from amenities. And if you want to head downtown, you're only 20 minutes away. So you're kind of getting the best of both worlds. You've got a little bit of that country feel out here and some of those winding roads and country hills, but you're also still super close to downtown Cincinnati. All right, guys, just a look at Independence, Kentucky on niche.com. It has an overall niche grade of an A-, and it's actually ranked, this is surprising to me, as the 9th best place to raise a family in Kenton County. So I clicked into that link actually to see what the other places were, and it kind of makes sense to me. There's Fort Mitchell, Park Hills, Villa Hills, Edgewood, Lakeside Park, Crescent Springs, Crestview Hills, Taylor Mill, and Independence. And it's not that Independence is a bad place to live. It gets an A- overall. It's just that there are a lot of good places to raise a family in Kenton County. Overall, the suburb of Independence has a population of about 28,000 people. Living in Independence offers residents a rural feel, and I would say once you drive down here, compared to maybe some other places like Florence or Union or Fort Thomas or Fort Mitchell, you're gonna feel on the edge where there are some farms around you. And so that's one of the things about Independence, maybe why it's ranked 9th out of the places, is it's a little bit further out in terms of a commute to downtown Cincinnati. It's not that you're ever really sitting in traffic. In fact, the highway of 17, you're usually taking that up to I-275 and then maybe swinging east over to I-471 down into Cincinnati, but you don't have like a direct shot straight into the city. So it doesn't take you a long time to get in, maybe 28 minutes total to get downtown. But compared to some of the other cities in Northern Kentucky, maybe it does take you a few minutes longer for that commute if you have to go downtown, just because you're not right off of an interstate. Now that being said, even though you might have a slightly longer commute, the plus side is you might be able to get a more affordable home in Independence, and there are a lot of great neighborhoods. Whether you're buying new, like here in Stonewater by Drees, or buying a resale home, Independence can be a really good fit, especially for the more price-conscious families. All right, back in the Sztanyo. Guys, you know I'm on a mission to show you these communities and bring you the best real estate content if you're looking to move to the Cincinnati or Northern Kentucky area. What did you guys think of this community? Please leave a comment below and like and subscribe to join the Sztanyo Clanyo. And of course, if you are looking to move to the Cincinnati or Northern Kentucky area, we would love to be your real estate resource of choice. So whether that is buying new construction, we can leverage our relationships with the builders around town, or if you're looking to buy a resale home, our team is ready to help you out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hoo Day, go Reds, and we'll see you next time.